Then the Espada, again, 5.5 inches. This one has the plain edge to it. That is a long knife. This is the heaviest of the three. Very stout, very well made, just like everything else that Cold Steel does. I really like this knife. This is the only one that's here that I don't already own. You've got some different hand configurations with the shape of this handle, either holding up high to do some fine carving, some steak carving. You can move your hand to different positions and get a very extended reach on this knife, which would be important in a defensive situation. I like the lock that these have. It's a very strong lock. I've never had mine fail. Good material on the handle. These are all G10. The blade steel on this is also excellent. I believe this is an AUS 10A on the Espada. So they do make a bunch of different sizes of the Espada as well, and they make different sizes for the Talwar and the Voyager. These are just the biggest sizes, which again, if you're serious about self-defense with the blade, this would be probably the optimal length to go. 5.5 inches, so it's over the 4 minimum, and these I think would serve you very well, depending on your pocket size. And these could also fit inside of a belt. I don't think I would carry this appendix just because it would be a little bit awkward to deploy, but carried in a traditional pocket like you would your regular pocket knife, I think these can be very effective, and they're a lot of fun to pull out when you're cutting your steak at the restaurant. So the Espada, the Voyager, and the Talwar, these two are in serrated. They make all of these in serrated and non-serrated versions. These are fantastic options if you're considering a folding blade for your defensive tool. 5.5 inches for each one.